Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax under the old regime. First, you need to understand the fundamental differences between the old and new tax systems to decide which one suits you best. It's crucial to evaluate your financial situation carefully. Once you've made that decision, the next step is to meticulously gather all your essential financial documents. This preparation will make the entire filing process much smoother and more efficient for you. To maximize your tax savings under the old regime, leverage key deductions. Section 80C allows deductions up to 150,000 rupees for investments like PPF and else. Don't forget to claim housing loan interest under Section 24, which can save you up to 2 lakh rupees. Additionally, medical insurance premiums under Section 80D offer significant tax benefits. Understanding these sections is vital for reducing your taxable income effectively. Having the right documents prepared is key to a hassle-free filing experience. Ensure you have your Form 16, all salary slips, and comprehensive bank statements readily available. It's also important to gather all investment proofs, including those for else, PPF, and other tax-saving instruments. Finally, keep your Aadhaar card and PAN card details handy, as these are essential for identity verification during the e-filing process. The final step is to actually file your return. Begin by selecting the appropriate income tax return, or ITR, form that matches your income sources. Carefully and accurately fill in all your income details, claim deductions, and any taxes already paid. After completing the form, you must verify your return. You can do this electronically through various methods or by sending a signed physical copy of the ITRV form to the Income Tax Department.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.